Today we are reviewing Global Shop Solutions ERP. This video is brought to you by ERP Research. If you're starting your ERP journey, make sure you head over to erpresearch.com. Here our team has put together free ERP analysis, ERP project resources, templates, and much more. Why don't you also make use of our free consultation service? A short 15-minute meet with us will help you to understand your business and needs, recommend ERP solutions for your ERP objectives, offer guidance around your ERP evaluation process, and offer insights into your industry peers and their choices. But before we get into all things Global Shop Solutions, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more great videos from erpresearch.com. Global Shop Solutions offers ERP software to serve clients across the manufacturing industries of all sizes. The multi-modular application is comprised of independent modules. Businesses can either subscribe to specific modules as per their requirements or subscribe to a fully fledged ERP suite. Global Shop can cater for process manufacturing, discrete manufacturing, engineer to order, and make to stock scenarios, and covers various manufacturing sub-industries including defence, medical devices, metal fabrication, and more. Dashboards and views of Global Shop Solutions can be tailored based on the user access in the system, allowing for the user interface to be made as simple as necessary for each of your system users. Global Shop's pricing is licensed on a subscription basis, which is typically paid annually. Licensing is dependent on the amount of users, their level or responsibility within the system, advanced modules and third-party extensions you require. Founded in 1976 and offering 24/7 support, Global Shop operates in 7 countries. Functionality includes planning, financial management, production, inventory management, human resource management, and customer relationship management. Some of the pros of Global Shop are its deep functionality for small and medium-sized business manufacturers. Our clients report a very positive experience with GSS support teams. It has a transparent, all-inclusive pricing. It's highly configurable and customizable for unique businesses and processes, and it has a high degree of integration between different modules and functions. However, some of the cons are, at ERP Research, some of our clients have reported that Global Shop Solutions has a poor user interface. Many users complain of a poor and slow reporting and business intelligence experience, and updates, as with any ERP system, can be challenging. Global Shop works best with the automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, and medical devices industries. Global Shop Solutions can be deployed both in the cloud or as an on-premises ERP solution. Global Shop Solutions has 2 flavors of cloud ERP deployment, either software as a service or managed solutions, on-premises Global Shop ERP licensing, managed by Global Shop Solutions. Global Shop also provides integrations with various popular business applications and services, from CRMs to payroll, software, 3PLs, banks, and more. Global Shop's competitors include Infor, Odoo, SAP Business One, and Microsoft Dynamics 365. For more information on Global Shop Solutions, make sure to head over to erpresearch.com. Here you'll find free ERP comparisons, ERP project resources, and expert analysis on all things Global Shop Solutions ERP. Our experts can also give you a free demo of the software. Make sure you get in touch at erpresearch.com.